Hello, so here are some tips to get your baby to sleep literally like a baby. Now, number one, establish a bedtime routine. So if you start with a bath, followed up by a baby massage, as well as, a little bedtime story, establishing a routine at the same time for your little one is a great first step in getting your baby into a healthy rhythm, which should assist them and bring them a sense of comfort as well as ease. Now, the second tip I'm going to suggest is skin to skin contact. So whether you sleep in the same room as your baby, next to your baby, sleep with your baby, or carry your baby next to you kangaroo style, the more skin to skin contact with your child you have, the healthier your baby will become. So skin to skin contact encourages deep sleep, which is actually beneficial for bodily as well as brain development. Now the third step, or tip I'm going to suggest rather, is swaddling. Now swaddling is a technique used to mimic the feeling of the womb for a baby by literally wrapping your baby in a blanket, kind of like, a burrito. It's essential to practice swaddle safety and to stop swaddling once your baby has the ability to literally roll over, which is typically at the 2 to 4 month range. The next tip is baby rockers or swings. So baby swings actually help mimic natural rhythms as well as movements and are great to help soothe baby as well as put them to sleep. You could also get a baby sound machine or white noise machine. You can help your baby fall asleep faster by simply playing some white noise in the background. The sound mimics the sounds in the womb for your baby, which actually promotes a better sleep as well as relaxation. Now, another tip I would suggest is literally removing Wi-Fi signals for your baby's benefit as well as sleep. Reducing Wi-Fi exposure as well as EMF or electromagnetic fields, especially for babies, is critical for their well-being as well as their developing nervous system. Using hardwired internet and minimizing EMF exposure, as in, just unplugging devices before bed, will help your baby's brain as well as body during its developmental stage. Now, another interesting tip is cherry juice for nursing mothers. So if you're nursing, consider drinking fresh cherry juice as a helpful sleep aid for your baby. It's packed with melatonin and can help you and your baby get a great night's sleep. The last tip I'm going to suggest is lavender or chamomile oil. You can either add a few drops of each essential oil to your baby's bath or simply put lavender oil in a diffuser to help soothe as well as put your baby to sleep as a little bonus just for them.